Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a stair and Revit. I'm going to create the same as this stair. So now first I'm going to delete this and then create a new one. Okay, or let's go to level 1 like this, and then go to architecture and then click to the stair, and let's start drawing on a stair like this and continue to here. Okay, there's 10 and 11 run in here. So if you want to change the width, click to the stair, and then from here you can change the actual weight of the stair. So I'm going to change to 5, and let's mirror this part. Okay, I mirrored this part, and now click to in here and then go to convert and then edit sketch. So let's connect to this stair to in here. Let's delete this, and now let's draw one line in here. Okay, now it's finished, and then click to finish. Okay, now this already connected to each other. Let's see in 3D. It's like this. Okay, so if you select to this part and then flip, let's change it to like this, and now if you want to change again to flip, you can see like this. Okay, it's a different model, up to you how to use. Okay, so I want to be like this. Yeah, so if you want to add the rail, click to the rail, and from here you can choose the rail type. So let's select this one, and then you can choose to trace or stranger, up to you. Let's select this one, and then click to OK, and then finish. As you can see, the rail automatically will add it like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.